Shopping. I went shopping yesterday. I bought a red t-shirt and a pair of blue jeans. I also bought some apples and bananas from the supermarket. After that, I had a cup of coffee at a cafe nearby. Questions. The speaker bought a red blank and a pair of blue blank. Answer. T-shirt, jeans. Where did the speaker buy apples and bananas? Options. From a market, from a supermarket, from a cafe. Answer. From a supermarket. True or false? The speaker bought oranges at the supermarket. Answer. False. What did the speaker do after shopping? After shopping, the speaker had a cup of coffee at a cafe nearby.